In this video, I'll show you how to fix repost option not showing on Instagram using Android phone or iPhone. Instagram has introduced a new feature called repost, and if you're not getting the option on your account, then here's the real guide of how you can get the repost option on your account. It's super easy, but before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so not to get the repost option on your Instagram account, first thing first, make sure your Instagram application is up to date. Open up the App Store, or if you're using Android phone, then open up Play Store and then simply go ahead and search for Instagram here. Once you get the Instagram, go ahead and tap on the Instagram here, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and tap on this update button and update your Instagram application to the latest version. And once you do that, just force close the Instagram application from the background and reopen the Instagram application, and from the home page, go ahead and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right and then tap on this three dot line at the top right. And from the settings and activity, just need to scroll down a little bit, and under the how others can interact with you, you'll get to see the option called sharing and reuse. You just need to tap on this. You'll get to see the third option, repost on post and reels. If it's toggle off, you just need to enable this feature. And once you have done with this one, go ahead and open up any post or reels, whatever you have. Let's say I'm going to open up this reels, and inside the reels you'll get to see the repost option has been added. Now if I tap on this one, this post will be reposted on your profile. Now if I go to the home page and go to the profile once again, and if I scroll down, and you just need to refresh the page a little bit, and if I scroll down, he'll get to see the repost option has been added to your account. Now if I go to this one, and he'll get to see all the posts that I reposted on my account. This is how you actually can get this option. Hope you find it pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.